delicious recipe. Sexy slow-mo shots. A mouth-watering sauce. With hard-hitting e-commerce advice.
Whoa.
And a critic with very few words.
That's insane.
Welcome to StoreLab's Carbonara recipe. There are only a few ingredients that go into a carbonara, in the same way that e-commerce has a few metrics that are super important, and it's how you manipulate those that then become your e-commerce success. I'm going to show you how we can play with each of these ingredients, as well as some tips for things like conversion rate and average order value to make your e-commerce business a massive success. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is start frying off the guanciale. A bit of a high heat to start off with, so it crisps up the edges, and then we're going to turn it down low and finish the cooking of the guanciale inside on low heat.
Right, whilst I separate my egg whites, let's talk conversion rates. Think of your conversion rate like inviting 10 friends over to try your carbonara, but only 3 of them actually eat it. That means your carbonara conversion rate is 3 out of 10 or 30%. In business, it works the same. To improve your carbonara or your conversion rate, you need to make it more irresistible. Maybe add more cheese, tweak the seasoning, or in business terms, make your website more user-friendly, add better product photos, or customer testimonials.
The other thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these peppercorns and we're going to toast them also in a preheated pan. You want to toast peppercorns essentially until you can start smelling it or seeing the smoke. Add them to our pestle and mortar, and then we'll start smashing them up, and you can see all the lovely aromas that start coming off the peppercorns. So we'll crush that more in a little bit. Charlie, can you do me a favour? Can you look up what whisking air into eggs is called? There's a French name for it. There's a cooking name for it.
What is the French cooking term used for whisking air into eggs? Oh, looks like we're going to have to press you for an answer, Charlie.
Mélange les blancs et niche.
Nope. Okay, so one of the ways that we're going to manipulate the egg yolks is we're going to start whisking some air in them and tempering them.
Just like making the perfect carbonara, increasing your average order value takes a little extra whisking. If you're only selling one item at a time, you're leaving money on the plate. So, mix things up. Bundle complementary products, offer buy more, save more deals, and throw in an upsell, because a little extra never hurts.
And then I'm going to start adding some of this cheese. I'm going to whisk this in, and then as soon as it starts turning into this sort of slightly thicker mix, I'm going to take a ladle of the pasta water, or half a ladle, and I'm going to pour this in while whisking quickly so I don't scramble my eggs. So, trick with spaghetti, if I twist my hands in either direction, while I drop the pasta, it should form a lovely even spray all around the outside. So I am going to pour off the guanciale fat into a separate cup. The hollandaise, we're going to start adding the pork fat in a tiny, tiny drop at a time.
This technique is what makes the key difference in your carbonara, emulsifying the extra fat into the sauce slowly, 1 drop at a time, to stop it from splitting. Just like in e-commerce, growth comes from steady, strategic moves. Tweak your offers, refine your marketing, and build customer trust step by step.
So we're also going to take a few pinches of our black pepper now, and we will add this and keep whisking. Just going to start adding the pasta to the pan that has the sauce in it, and then stir the pasta in the sauce. And then at the end, we'll just add guanciale in. Okay, so we're going to put a little wedge in the ladle. And we're going to move that onto the plate carefully. Take a small amount of pasta, wind that round very slowly. Just turn that on top. Take some of these bits of guanciale, add them around. Add a bit more of that lovely silky sauce on top.
And that's it, a delicious carbonara. And just like a great e-commerce business, it comes down to the right ingredients. So if you're ready to get cooking, let's grow your business today.
This bit at the top?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go with that. Oh my god. That's insane. That is so good. The meat as well. That is so good.